Chien.
Hey, bro, what the?
Hello,
Hey,
Chien.
Mulan, you gotta get up out of there. Hey, Mulan, you gotta get up out of there, man. Hey, Mulan, you gotta get up out of there.
Aw, it was nothing.
That was the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me.
Humana. Put on clothes! Oh! Put some clothes on! Yeah! Bro, what the?
Hello?
Bro, what the?
What a mess.
No, wait, Jose! Oh! Yo, I need to know the name! What is this? What show is this? Ain't this Teen Titans? I don't remember the scene. Somebody give me the specific scene. I need the deets ASAP. I need the deets A. Is that glue? Is that supposed to be glue? Humana. What the?
My bad.
Oh, Beast Boy! Oh, Beast Boy! I thought your secret sauce was green! But what the? Please say what's from the redness! How are you? You were sent by the devil! Huh? The red mist is coming, bro. What's the red mist? Hey, Squidward, close the door. Squidward? What? Bro, what's good? Ah, Squidward! No! Squidward! Bro, Squidward! Don't be sad! Man, I feel the pain of Squidward. Squidward? Hey, Squidward. Squidward? What the? Squidward's in hell! Squidward is in hell! Squidward is in hell! Bro, Squidward! Oh, he back. Oh, he in heaven now. Why you happy, Squidward? You was just sad. Squidward? What is that? Squidward, you good? Hey, Squidward, you good? Hey, Squidward, I hope you're not thinking what I think you're about to do, Squidward. Hey, Squidward, everything is gonna be fine. Oh, Squidward! Oh, Squidward, I don't like this. Squidward. Oh, Squidward, you're not doing what I think you're about to do. Oh, my God, Squidward! You good? Let's go. Bro, what the? Bro, what the? Number 3! That's number 3! What is that, an ad? An ad? Five Nights at Freddy's! Five Nights at Freddy's? What is this episode? Bro, that's what I was just saying! Bro, what's going on? Bro, did my computer just break on me? You scared me! Aiden! Do you hear me? Bro, I hear you now. I thought it said anus, it said anise. No? because it looks like the tip of my pee-pee.
What the fuck? Who the hell is this kid, man? Bro, not only did he get a 0 on his test, not only is his name Poopy Butt, not only does he have a diaper above his pants, not only does he have a pencil up his nose, he's talking about his pee-pee being a whole triangle? Bro, what in the world is wrong with this man?
What the hell is this?
This is a weird cookie.
Can we eat it?
No, Crash, you cannot eat the cookie.
Are you dead? Oh, damn! I knew that
You
man was gonna
cannot
die.
eat the cookie. What you're supposed to do is cut the shape out of the cookie without breaking the shape.
Hey, Mike, that's
If you
how it
break
goes.
the shape, you get eliminated.
Oh, come on.
Hey,
That's
Marcus.
impossible. I got the hardest shape.
Yeah, my shape's really hard.
I got the easiest shape.
Mine's
Bro, the second one is easy, bro.
Looks like I'm moving to the next round.
Oh, where do I even start?
I did it! I did it!
I did it too.
Oh, damn.
Great. I'm really happy for you guys. Oh, yeah, that's not stressful at all. I'm doing
Hey,
it.
bro, this man deserves it because he was trying to be different so badly, bro. You want to be different? Then be different. This is how it feels like to be different. Come on, man.
Hey, geez, just, oh, boy. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break.
Oh, he's dead.
I love you, Ken.
I knew it.
Cody,
I knew it.
Jeff, you're not going to use my card. Why do you need $50? Check it. I found this girl online, and she said she would eat a hot fudge sundae off my junk for $25 behind Walgreens. For
What? Bro, you're like 2 years old.
$5, then why do you need 50? Because I wanted to do it twice.
That's a lot of ice cream, Jeffy.
Yeah, hopefully she's not lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant? Uh-huh.
I only have $100.
Hey, bro.
Well, then 4 times it is. She's gonna do it no times, Jeffy. What? You want me to ask for change? What? No, Jeffy, listen, she's not gonna do it at all because I don't want you eating ice cream in my car. Well, here's the thing, Dad.
Wait, that's what you're worried about? Ain't you still like 2 years old? You're gonna let eat off this.
I'm not eating ice cream. She is. I'm just the bulb. No, Jeffy, I don't want any ice cream activities happening in my car. Just go get a job or something.
No
What do you
thanks.
want me to do what she does for a living?
Jeffy
is trying to pull hose, to pull hose, to pull hose. Jeffy is trying to pull hose. Yeah, help me do it. What was that noise? Keep singing. Jeffy,
You just ran someone over. Oh, I knew this was a bad idea when I seen it. Oh, you just ran some little cat. Oh my.
is trying to.
I'm in Ohio. Why can't you do? The Red Bull has wings. Red Bull has wings. The Red Bull has wings. The Red Bull has wings in Ohio. I thought Red Bull was lying about that. Red Bull really gives it wings. Bro, what the? I just moved here, only in Ohio. Bro, I didn't even know they had trades in Ohio. Not gonna lie, I thought New York City was the only place. Normal. That's normal. Ohio just like us. Go back.